Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to investigate an experiment. Investigate an experiment on a given move, maybe a few given moves if you like, but on a given move, in a given section of the form perhaps. Investigate an experiment where that move is catalyzed, where that movement begins in the being. So does it begin in the third eye? Does it begin in the elbow? Does it begin in the wrist? Does it begin in the Lao Gong? Does it begin in the Dantian? Does it begin in your fourth chakra? I don't know. But investigate and experiment. Play with that a little bit. Test if you like. So if your move is this, does this start with my hip? Does it start with my elbow? Does it start with the union of hip and elbow? Does it start with the spine, the dantian, the breath, the third eye, the back heel? I don't know. But investigate and experiment. And then after some investigation and experimentation, so you have some data, some ideas, some thoughts, go and ask your teacher. Get the answer and then get to work. Thank you and love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.